Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the quality management on design thinking approach. So if you consider the quality management, it plays an important role in the developing the project. So the project quality is important and it should be consistent, and it may lag due to some poor communication, due to some frequent errors like that. So let us start our discussion.
Hello everyone, now we are going to empathize the problem statement. The first stage is to empathize the problem. In this stage, we are focusing to understanding the problems of user and their problems. That is related to the quality management system in the software and also its issues. Many users were facing the frequent bugs and slow performance in systems and also the performance. The system may crashes sometimes, and also developers struggle to unclear the requirements and also the proper communication. We collect the feedback from the users and also observe how they affected with the system and also identify where the quality is failing. This will understand the real pain points. For example, one day a student is suggested to pay her fee in a college using their app, while it become crashed on suddenly, and she don't know where to get the amount while it was deducted already from the mobile. Whether she is subjected to have a incorrect statement from the bank, and now she is supposed to pay it again or not. Actually, this is the real case. So also this is the empathize statement from these issues.
So as she empathized the stage. So now let us go for defining the problem statement. Sandri, you can continue.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Shivashankari. So I am going to explain about the defense stage, and we already addressed the problem. The main problem is software quality poor, is lack of proper testings and unclear requirements, and lack of communications among the teammates. So it helps us instead of focusing on many problems, and it focus the one thing.
So hello everyone, I am Shanmugapriya. I am here to explain about the ideate stage. So here we think about different, we brainstorm about different ideas to improve the problem and the quality of the software. So first thing is automated testing. Second one is improving communication between the developers and the testers and also with the stakeholders. And then using version control systems, conducting regular code audits and meetings, and then following quality standards which comply with the software for better high quality softwares.
So far we discussed about empathy, define. Next one is Manasa, you tell about the prototype, how we are going to build the prototype.
Hello everyone, I am here to tell about the prototype. So in the prototype stage, it is where we turn our ideas into small working model. So instead of directly building a complete project, we first create a basic working model, and this is done to understand how the solution will actually work in real life. So the stage is very important because it helps us test our idea early, and also we can find mistakes in the very early stage, and also we can improve them before developing into final product. So what we will be doing in this stage mainly is we will be building a simple version of the system, and we will also focus only on the main features rather than focusing on everything, and also we will try to find the solution if it is whether it is practical and useful, and we will be identifying if there is any problem or any limitation before we convert it into a final project. So example of prototype activities are, we will be developing a testing module, and we will be implementing a bug tracking system, and also will be creating a simple improved workflow. So the main purpose of prototype is to check if the idea works and to understand user requirements better, and also to reduce the risk before final development, and also to save the time and also cost by fixing the error very earlier. So the prototype is not the final product, but it is only a trial version of what we are going to build and what we are going to test.
We are going to discuss about the final stage is testing. In this test stage, quality management played a crucial role, ensuring the system meets user requirements and the performance reliability. In this stage, different type of testing such as functional testing, usability testing and performance testing are conducted, identify the error and improve the system. To collect the user feedbacks carefully and analyze find the gap and enhance the solution
Continuous testing and iteration helps to maintain the quality standards and ensure the final product is efficient, user-friendly and error-free.
So from our discussion we understood that how quality management plays an important role. Hope we got some information regarding that. Thank you.